Hi! Today I've got another unboxing and this time it's Maggie Holmes. So let's look at the kit. Alright. So I got this from Peachy Cheap. I'm sure that's all of it. And let me see how much this cost. I forgot to look that up ahead of time. Okay, so I got the price here, and this is Peachy Cheap set, and it's the brand new Garden Party, and it was $22.98 including shipping. And so you get, and often when it's Maggie Holmes on Peachy Cheap, a lot of times it's like the stuff that people didn't want to buy, so like really awkward, gigantic pieces that would only fit on a 12 by 12 layout and things like that. But this looked really good. This looked like things that I would want to use, and so I ordered it. And normally I don't order too much on Peachy Cheap. I try to not look at it because I always want to buy something on it. But this I couldn't pass up because it's the newest one, and I tend to buy the digital versions instead, and so then I can print the paper as much as I want in the die cuts. But this looks like it's all going to work for me. It's beautiful, of course. Great. Alright. So here's the paper. It's one single-sided. Looks like there's some gold foil in here. Very nice. These look some cut aparts. Very nice. And it looks like they didn't shrink them. It looks like they were designed for this size. And so this looks perfect for memory decks cards. Here. Yep, you can fit two and even some left over to make a pocket if you want, a tuck spot on your memory decks cards. So that's a great pad, great size. And then these, I'm getting the hang of this now. Okay. Move this out of the way. Very cute. Yeah, these will be good for memory decks. So there's a couple of vellum pieces. These two are vellum. Whoops. That's vellum. Very cute cards. Okay, those are those. Those are they. Oh, this is vellum too. And the other one. More vellum. I like these a lot. Gold foiled vellum. These are perforated. More gold foil. Really nice card. I love it. These are perforated. More vellum. Gold foil. Another gold foil card. Really pretty. Really nice. I love it all. And I love that botanical feel. So I'm very happy with this order. Okay. So let me show you the stickers. There's the back on my camera. There. Okay. Even the back is pretty. Oh, very thick stickers. These are clear background, transparent. And that's transparent back. These, that's transparent back. That's white card or sticker paper. These are clear background stickers. And look at that. I'm trying to get this to focus. Look, representation matters. Woohoo! Yay, Maggie Holmes. This one, that's a transparent back. And then the last one, this is transparent back. So most of it is transparent. So you're going to have to decide. You can't really put it on all of that floral paper that she has because they're not going to show up very well. Okay. This is white sticker paper. Okay, that's the end of that. I love it. And then lastly are the Puffy stickers with that same backing. And there they are. So cute. Love them all. Great. All right. So that is the Peachy Cheap Maggie Holmes Garden Party that they had. Really good. If it's available again, no, actually I probably won't buy it again. I'll get the digital. I love it so much. Okay, make sure to click the like and subscribe. Bye-bye.